Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide Wix page from search result. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to apply no index on Wix pages or specific page. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu. So click on it. So we are inside pages and menu. So this is our page. Now you see about, contact, help center. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots. So click on it and then you see settings. So click on it. Now page setting open. Then you see multiple options. Now you see advanced SEO. So click on it and then you see reports, meta tag. So we are going to hide this page from search result. So click on it. Now you see multiple options. Now you see no index. So when we hover on it, now you see this hide the page from search result. Enable this option and then click on publish. Now publish done. So in this way you can hide pages from search result in Wix. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.